Well, welcome to AST 1002. I'm Professor Eric Christensen. I'm going to guide you on this fascinating study as we learn more about the planets, the solar system, stars, and even the universe. So I have quite a number of things to cover, and this is just really a short introductory video. The best thing you can do is print out your syllabus. You'll need that for quiz 1 anyways. And the last page of the syllabus contains a week-by-week checkoff list you could use. So I'm going to highlight some of the key things to help you keep you on track and hopefully minimize any questions. But feel free to contact me at any point if you have a question or a problem with the course. I encourage you to use email. I'm much quicker to respond to that. You certainly can call my office and talk to my secretary and schedule a time that I could get with you. So we are using an open education resource, OER textbook. It's available free online. Which you can access at any time. So I'm saving you about $150 by doing this. Okay. We're going to start off. We're not going to start with chapter 1. We're skipping that. We're just going straight to chapter 2, and which will be next week. This first week is just an orientation assignment to be sure you know how to use the different components of desire to learn. Each week there's a number of activities for you to do, and including in that are quizzes. Okay, and you can take the quizzes as many times as you want, and you keep the highest score you earned that week. But the following week a new quiz shows up, so that old one will not be available any longer. Okay, there are 2 main projects in this course. I've minimized the stress that you might get from taking a final exam or midterm exams. I want you to demonstrate that you're learning things through projects. So we have a star project and a lunar observation project. The lunar project will take a month to do because I need you to observe the moon every other day for a month. And the star project is to apply what we're learning as you research your own particular star, which I will schedule for you by the end of the first week. Now combined, these are worth 30% of your grade, which is 3 letter grades. And I do have a little special bonus there. If you will turn the completed projects in at least a week before they're due, and this date is listed on your syllabus, you can earn a 10% plus up, which is a whole letter grade, by completing it early. So I hope you'll take advantage of that. It also helps me so I can get ahead on grading. So the course is scheduled, there are 16 weeks. Each week is a chapter, except for week 3 where we hit parts of 2 chapters. But each week is the routine is kind of the same. You're going to watch some videos, which consider that like taking a lecture. And so then take some notes from those. Then there's going to be a quiz on those. It should be pretty straightforward. You can take it as many times as you want. It's just to make sure that you have watched the videos. There are these active explorations, which are simulations or some quizzing things online. Those are not graded, and it's totally voluntary, but students have told me that they do help them a lot. Each week there is a quiz. Quizzes are worth 20 points. So we'll drop a couple at the end. Read your syllabus, you can get more of the details on that. But those are very important. Again, they're the mastery style where you can take them as many times as you like each week. There's a question of the week. All you have to do is respond to it, and you can get your points there. You don't have to comment to anyone else, but you're free to do that. So the first week, besides the quizzes and the question of the week, there is an orientation assignment. That's really the main focus of the first week, to be sure you understand the different components of D2L. Week 4, there's a current event where I need you to find a current topic in astronomy. It can be from the newspaper, be online, and write up, and there's some more details on that. Short, about 5 or 6 sentences is all I need, but I need some references, and I do need an image. I need you to show me you know how to capture an image and post it online. There's 2 self-reflections. They come at week 5, and the other one's at week 10. And that's a chance for you to step back from the course, analyze how you're doing, and give me a status update, how you think you're doing and what you might need to do to improve. Now by week 9, I need to see your lunar project data collection. Now the first week there is an initial lunar collection so that I know you know how to do it. Then you have a month to collect every other day. And then also, and that's worth 60 points, so that's quite a big. And then coming on week 11, which would be right after spring break, the whole lunar project, that's worth 140 points for a combined total of 200 points for the lunar project. And that's where you to analyze, and it's step by step. I've outlined what questions I want you to do. You have to do a little bit of graphing. I have some files that explain how to do graphing. There is a STAR project on week 13, and that's the one I was telling you about earlier, where you apply what you're learning in the different chapters to a specific star. And then Photo Voice is to find an astronomy image that relates to one of the chapters of our course, identify which course, and then describe it a little bit. And that's towards the end. That's week 14 is when you're getting ready for the final exam. Each week the course starts on Tuesdays at 8 a.m. and it ends the following Tuesday at 8 a.m. So I know this first week class is not starting on a Tuesday, but it will end on a Tuesday. And then every other class will be on Tuesdays, even up until your final exam. And the due date for that is written in the on the syllabus. So welcome aboard. I'm glad you're here. I hope you really find this to be a meaningful but fun learning experience. And if you have any troubles or questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help you, to get you through this, and hopefully when you leave you'll say, hey, that was a good course. I'm interested in astronomy, because I know you'll be a voting citizen in our country, and I think astronomy is very important, and I'd like for you to at least have a good appreciation for what it takes. So let's go ahead and start on this course, and good luck.